like to welcome you here at the gala dinner on the second annual event of Success Factory. It makes us officially now 2 years old, even though we started a little bit before that. What we are doing this weekend takes us to a whole new level. It makes this company much, much closer to what we too have envisioned and what we have dreamt about.
Time and money combined is freedom, and that is exactly what Success Factory can do for you.
True value is that it doesn't matter where you come from, it only matters where you go.
For me, Success Factory is the best opportunity is happening for you. Believe in yourself, share the vision, and love the people. See you at the top.
Are you ready to become an ambassador? What is your path to success?